Hey everybody, it's Bean and Bagel. Welcome to our channel. Today we are filming a vegan food review. This is vegan fast food based in Wayzata, Minnesota, and it's called Stalk Spade. I've got a little chicken sandwich here, and I don't know, thought it'd be a fun video to do. We haven't had a lot of vegan fast food. We've had like the Impossible Whopper at Burger King, and I really like that. And I don't know, I think it's just good to try new things, try healthier spins on things, and just mix it up. So I got this Spicy Sriracha Chick'N Sandwich. I also got just some regular fries here, so we're gonna try it out. So this has sriracha, has cabbage and cilantro, red onion, jalapeño. Wow, it's hard to believe that that's plant-based meat. It's really good. There's definitely sriracha coming through. There's like a soy taste coming through. Kind of an Asian twist, definitely. That's really good. The restaurant is 100% plant-based. There's no dairy, there's no meat, anything. So, but yeah, they did a really great job with the texture of making it seem like chicken. The taste is really good too. There's good crispiness. You can tell it's definitely been fried. It does have that delicious fried taste. But I really like that. Try the fries. There's nothing really special about these. I think these are just regular French fries. Those are good. They kind of remind me of McDonald's fries, honestly, but they're tasty. I like them. But yeah, I mean, fries, not that hard to do. This is hard to do with plant-based, so they did an awesome job. You should go check out Stalk Spade.
So I got this guy. This is a Classic Deluxe Cheeseburger. It's got lettuce, tomato, mayo, and plant-based burger. Plant-based food is really not like something that I would normally go do. That's not because I would say I'm, against it or anything. It's just new to me, I'm just being honest about it. Like, it's one of those things where it's like, I just have to try it. I have to get used to it. And, so this is kind of, I don't know, it's kind of new to me. So I'm gonna give it a shot and we'll see what it's like. The thing I would compare it to is a Whopper at Burger King. I'm not saying it tastes exactly like a Whopper. You definitely get the, plant-based aura or taste or whatever you would call it. You're not gonna get that fatty, greasy, salty, whatever kind of Whopper taste. But the smell of it kind of smells like a Whopper to me, and even subtle hints of the taste taste like Whopper to me. Honestly, I don't know if I like it overall. Like, I'm not saying I dislike it though, and that probably makes absolutely zero sense. It's like one of those things where, like, man, if I was really hungry, I'd probably go get this and eat it. But if I had this next to a Burger King Whopper, sorry, I'm probably gonna get the Burger King Whopper. But it's not bad. Like, it's not, what I thought it could be, where you're just like, what? That's made of plants. I'm not gonna get that. That's a waste of my time. Like, I wouldn't call it, I wouldn't go that far. So But anybody that knows me, I'm not really a salad guy and all that either. What I find interesting is that they actually have a burger on their menu that's called Fancy, that has fancy sauce. And that's the actual name, Fancy Sauce. So I was like, that's very fitting for trying this place for me, because like I'm not one to go get what I call fancy salads or fancy foods. So I'm not in love with it. I don't hate it. I don't know if I would like go out and endorse it or anything like that. So that's my opinion on that. I did get sweet potato fries with it. I'll give those a chance. Tastes like sweet potato. It's kind of bland to me a little bit. Yeah. Tastes like health food. I'll just say that. So the other thing I got was this peanut butter shake. Again, it's all plant-based, non-dairy. I'm sure some people have their opinions about that, but I'm gonna try it out and see what it really tastes like. Tastes really good. Like if you've ever had maple nut goodies, they're like this candy that kind of tastes like maple. I would say it tastes kind of like that, like with peanut butter cookie. You definitely taste the peanut butter cookie, but it's like those maple nut goodie candies, if you know what I'm talking about. I think this is good. It's really sweet. I wouldn't say overly sweet though. Tastes like peanut butter cookie and maple to me. So I would recommend it though. It's good. Texture wise, it's kind of like, I wouldn't say slushy. It's a lot more creamier than that, but it's kind of got an element like that. But it doesn't really taste super different to me than a traditional shake. I mean, it just tastes like cold peanut butter cookie shake, you know? You get the cookie in there, and I don't want to say creamy because it's not creamy, but it has kind of like a watery, creamy kind of texture, I would say, or taste. But it doesn't taste watered down. It tastes sweet. It tastes good. It tastes like a really good peanut butter cookie shake.
So Greg's gonna try mine now. I thought it's super good. I'm curious to see his opinion.
That's pretty good. I think that's better than mine. It tastes like Chinese food to me. Mm-hmm. It totally tastes like Chinese food.
Yeah, it's got that soy sauce kind of taste.
I'm kind of jealous. I should have got this.
So I'm gonna try Greg's. My first impression is this is too much mayo and sauce and whatever all this is.
This is really good though. Like you get the onion, you get the sriracha. It's got some spice. It tastes like chicken. Mm-hmm. It really does.
Yeah. So, see what you're saying about this one. It does taste kind of, you taste the plants more. That plant-based burger taste. And also the cheese. I think you can kind of tell it's vegan cheese a little bit too. So that kind of adds to it, not tasting like totally like a fast food type of a burger. But that one, the chicken one, that one's like awesome.
That burger kind of reminds me of when I was a kid and somebody first gave me like Diet Coke or Diet Pop, and they're just like, here, try it, it tastes kind of similar. And you put it in your mouth and you're like, no, it doesn't taste anything like what I like or what I want. But if somebody were to hand me this chicken and not tell me anything, I think they could get me. I would think, wow, yeah, it actually tastes like chicken and it's really good. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I really like this. I would totally want to get this again. So I'm impressed with this. I think this is definitely something to go out and try.
Yeah, Stalk Spade chicken, I would recommend that for sure. Another thing that Hope and I have talked about implementing into our channel, instead of doing like, you know, 5-star reviews or any kind of star reviews, was something that we talked about was, would you try it or would you walk by it? So to give you kind of a feel for what we mean by that, the burger, in my opinion, I'd walk right by it. I'm probably not going to try it again. I wouldn't recommend anybody else try it, and I wouldn't buy it again. So we're kind of curious to see what your opinions of that would be going forward. Like if we did that instead of a, you know, 5-star, 4-star, whatever. Stalk Spade, it's new to Wayzata, Minnesota. There's actually a new one coming to Florida from what we understand.
Yeah, Miami.
Miami?
Mm-hmm.
Look into it if you are interested in eating a little healthier. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.
Bye.